Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Article 216 or possession of prohibited interest by a public officer. Under Article 216, possession of prohibited interest by a public officer is committed by a public officer who directly or indirectly shall become interested in any contract or business in which it is his official duty to intervene. Itong crime na ito ay nagagawa ng isang public officer na nagkaroon ng interes sa kontrata o negosyo na may kakayahan siyang makialam. It is also committed by experts, arbitrators, and private accountants who, in like manner, shall take part in any contract or transaction connected with the estate or property in appraisal, distribution, or adjudication of which they shall have acted, and to guardians and executors with respect to the property belonging to their wards or estate. Unlike in Article 215, dito sa Article 216, hindi lang ito limited sa appointive public officials. Included din dito ang mga elective officials. Let us illustrate this article. Si Pedro ay mayor ng isang municipality. Nagkaroon ngayon sila ng project na yung municipality ay magpapagawa ng building. Si Pedro ay may negosyo rin na nagbebenta siya ng mga construction materials. May mga iba pang may negosyo nito maliban sa kanya. Dahil siya nga yung mayor, nag-decide na siya na yung municipality sa kanya bibili ng construction materials. Si Pedro dito ay pwedeng liable sa article na ito. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.